Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, I'll guide you on how to save any website as a desktop shortcut, making it easier to access your favorite sites quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, first open the website. So normally open your browser. I'm gonna open the Chrome browser and you have to write on the address bar x.com because I want to make that website shortcut. So if you want to make a shortcut of your own website or other website, then you can visit that first. After then, normally click on the three-dot menu of your browser and here you will see many options. Normally hover over cast, save and share and you will see an option to create a shortcut here. Normally click on create shortcut. And here you will see a pop-up window. Give it a name. I'm gonna give it a name here, Twitter, and clicking on create. And it's gonna create a shortcut on your desktop. On the other hand, if you want your website as an app, then you can open it and normally click on this icon or click on the three dot and choose cast, save and share again and click on install X or install website and normally click on install. And now it will be opened like an app. There is another way to create an app for your desired website. Normally right click on the empty desktop and select new and select shortcut and here paste the URL of the website x.com, give it a name and click on finish. And it will also create a shortcut, but it will create the shortcut for your default browser. Alright, and that's all. There are 3 ways to create shortcuts. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.